After a one-day holiday for Eid al-Fitr, metro rail services in the capital have resumed. Similarly, Intercity trains operated by Bangladesh Railway have also restarted after the Eid holiday. Before Eid, the verified Facebook page of Dhaka Mass Transit Company Limited (DMTCL) announced that metro rail services would be suspended only on Eid day but would operate as usual on all other days. Meanwhile, the Director General of Bangladesh Railway, Mohammad Afzal Hussain, stated in an interministerial meeting before Eid that intercity train services across the country would be suspended on Eid day. However, all scheduled day-offs for trains were cancelled before Eid, and regular weekly breaks have been reinstated afterward. According to sources at Dhaka railway station, the first intercity train of the day, Tourist Express, departed for Cox's Bazar at 6:15 am. On the other hand, the first metro rail trip of the day departed from Uttara North Station at 7:10 am towards Motijhil, while the first train from Motijhil left for Uttara North Station at 7:30 am. Desk report, Bangladesh Guardian.